Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit to go through. So I'm just moving over my day trades here to see what's going on at the moment. Now, and there is so much going on with obviously Twitter now being rebranded to X. And Elon Musk coming out not long ago saying that it basically is going to be half of the world's financial institution, which is insane when you think about it. X. Very, very bullish stuff going on with this application now, moving from Twitter to X, which is awesome. I really like that. The whole X factor. We are all very bullish on X coins, that's for sure. Anyway, there's quite a lot to go through with that. The nice breakdown on obviously the history of X. He's got a fascination with X. Anyway, Bitcoin block 800,000 was just mined before 1 hour ago at the time of recording this video, which is crazy as well. We've got CEO Brad Garlinghouse. We're going to be talking about this. Obviously, the SEC creating an absolute mess. An SEC appeal right now would not be a setback, and that's very bullish as well, guys. We've got Ripple teaming up with research development firm to run CBDCs and crypto experiments, which is very interesting as well. We've got Litecoin's halving approaches. Can it remain above $90 US? I think it can. INX is a token that I got in very, very early right here. And again, pretty much after their ICO, and it is a security token that is registered with the SEC. It is partnering up with Casper Labs, which is very interesting as well. Obviously, there are some updates in relation to Cardano, and of course, the updates in relation to BlackRock ETF applications with the SEC. Going to go through the altcoin season index, and again, I've got some day trades opened up with my crypto trading bots. Again, that is all in the Patreon link below. There is a lot to get through. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just going to get wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. And yes, there is quite a bit to go through today. And I'm going to go straight to the community tab. But yes, Elon Musk says, if done right, X would become half of the global financial system, which is absolutely wild when you think about it. He's going to be basically making, I'd assume, like a WeChat equivalent, which is pretty good. I mean, they do everything in that app in WeChat. It's crazy. You can make payments. You can send anything. You can do everything. You can buy houses, cars, everything. It's crazy. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we had T-Fuel, Omi, Solargenic, LCX, and Superfarm. Obviously, a couple of boring coins there today, but again, this is a great time to dollar cost average in the market, right? And I've got some buyer positions on my day trades open up in the Patreon. I've just put them up not long ago, so go check it out. It's linked below. Anyway, guys, let's go to Coinspot, see what is happening here. And of course, yes, they are an official partner of the channel. Please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, again, all the prices are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 44,000 today. XRP's down 2.5%, $1.10. Could be a very good dollar cost averaging opportunity. I honestly foresee these in the next 24, 48 hours. They will all be back up. Again, good position to day trade, which I've got some positions open at the moment. Now we've got Cardano at 47 cents. We've got Doge at 10 cents. Cardano 47. Solana's at $37. Tron is at 12 cents. I am holding on to Tron. I mentioned this yesterday that this could be a very bullish crypto for the next bull market. I actually like Tron because, again, the gas fees to send USDT are insanely cheap as compared to other networks. Polygon Matic as well at $1.13. Litecoin is at $141. You've got Polkadot at $8 as well. BCH is $377. Now, again, this has survived multiple bear markets, up 1.40% today, which is really nice again. Chainlink is at $11. Moving down to some other favorites. ICP right here, $6. Hedera is up slightly to 8 cents. VeChain is back under 3 cents, guys. Quant is at $158. Optimism is at $2.40. I am looking at this one very, very closely. Optimism here. Algorand's at 17 cents. Theta is $1.26. I was buying that at $14. Can you believe it? Axie, $9.74. I was buying this at $80 at the peak of the bull market and have been dollar cost averaging and staking on Coinspot, by the way, as well. XDC's down to 7 cents, which is really nice. Again, people have had plenty of time to accumulate this at, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents level. So again, it's still incredibly cheap in my opinion. Obviously, moving down, we've got Pepe. Now, my bot is actually doing quite nicely, and I'll get into that in a moment. But just having a look here, I'm still up 121% on that 75 USDT. That's just nuts when you think about it. So again, that is in the Patreon, guys. That's probably my best performing bot, believe it or not. IOTA is at 28 cents. And of course, we've got Casper up 1.23% here to 6 cents. Again, some interesting updates happening about that. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do, the Wall Street Bull University, guys, again, very, very bullish. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my day trading, my crypto trading bots, my crypto indicators, the news before I go live on the channel, and more importantly, my dividend investing, which I've been doing for a very long time, building up my portfolio, because again, it's going to help me in retirement, and obviously that becomes generational wealth. So again, that is all in the Wall Street Bull University. It's a no BS, obviously, platform that I love talking with everyone in there directly, and I'm not selling any courses, and I have kept it at one level, which is $5 per month, which is basically nothing. I mean, I spend more on coffee literally in a day than I do buying, obviously, anything else, which is crazy. So $5 is absolutely nothing. Join up, it is linked below. I just put up some day trades at the moment, so that's going really nicely as well. Join up. The Wall Street Bull University. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. We have Theta up today, 2.9%. Currently trading at 82 cents, which is nice. Again, I remember buying this at $14+ which is crazy when you think about it. But again, I've seen some pretty crazy price predictions for Theta going like well into the thousands in the future. So long-term hold with Theta. Still up 10% on the month, guys. 82 USD, which is cheap. Casper as well, bullish on 1.6% on the day at 4 cents. Incredibly undervalued, guys. This project is making some big moves, again, with IBM and Google. And of course, is building the quantum financial computers. Now, again, Trust Wallet token. I'm not interested in Trust Wallet token. I mean, not really at all. Does really nothing for me. Now we've got Optimism here up 1%, 5.3 on the week and 11.6 on the month, which is really nice at $1.58. I am looking into Optimism as well. It's nice to see that moving. So this one I'm looking at very closely. What is that? Move that out of the way. Hedera up 1.8% on the day as well to 5 cents. 2.6 on the week and 4.2% on the month. Very, very nice, guys. I am bullish on Hedera and Hashgraph Technology. Again, their governance board is just insane when you think about it. Like Ripple, massive, massive corporations, DLL Piper, FPOS, I mean, there's LG, Boeing as well is part of this. It's enormous. So again, Hedera is definitely one on the radar. Of course, there are incredible buying opportunities more so. But anyway, moving on, guys. Twitter History X. Musk's obsession goes back to PayPal, and it could lead to his WeChat competitor, which I think is what his aim is anyway. But on Sunday, Elon Musk announced that Twitter will be rebranding to X. This isn't entirely surprising given the recent changes within the business, as well as Musk's tumultuous reign over the platform. But looking further back, Musk's affinity with the letter X has spanned decades, and it can be found in the origins of PayPal, which is interesting. And I believe the rebranding should be taking place today. I saw a tweet from Elon Musk saying that it is happening today. So again, that should be live by tonight, which is going to be interesting. Anyway, in true Musk style, he made the logo rebrand announcement via Twitter. He proceeded to spend several hours intermittently right here tweeting about the change, and this included the revelation that X.com now redirects to Twitter. And the address is also present on his Twitter bio. In the same tweet, Musk said that the interim X logo will go live later today, which again is bullish as anything. There you go. He's changed it. You rang. Very, very nice right here. And soon we shall be adieu to Twitter brand and gradually all the birds. Said obviously in one tweet right here, it is good enough X logo is posted tonight. We'll make it go live worldwide tomorrow, he said, which is nice. Musk also joined the Twitter Spaces session titled No One Talk About Until We Summon Elon Musk. He confirmed the Twitter logo change during the session right here. And while the public is facing branding right here, just changing now, the X connection to the social media platform isn't new. And back in April, Twitter ceased being an independent company, according to the documents filed in California early April. It was merged into a shell corporation called X Corp. And around the same time, Musk launched another X-named business, XAI. While documents regarding the new venture were filed in Nevada in March, it was also officially announced in July. Very little is known about the company at this stage right now, and with the tagline stating the goal is to understand the true nature of the universe. However, there are rumors that it will be a rival to OpenAI, which Musk helped launch before leaving in 2018. He has since openly questioned the for-profit direction OpenAI has gone in. Anyway, Musk's obsession goes back to PayPal, which again, he was a founder. And X Corp and XAI are only latest iterations of Musk's decades-long obsession with the letter X, one that has infiltrated several of his businesses right now, which is crazy. Musk even pointed out that during his tweet session over the weekend, not sure what subtle clues to give away, obviously, but I like the letter X right now, which is nice. So again, very, very interesting. It goes back to his PayPal days. Moving on, we've got Bitcoin block 800,000 mined. Here's what you need to know. And obviously, Bitcoin block number 800,000 has just been mined. The original cryptocurrency has come a long way since its debut in January 2009. According to Glassnode right here, 19.437 million Bitcoins right here have been mined so far. Moreover, 268,000 Bitcoin has gone out to miners as fees, which is insane. And according to the Twitter, checkmatey Bitcoin miners have received $52.5 billion in revenue, with 94.5% subsidy and 5.5% fees. Over the course of 800k blocks right here, that equates to about $65,000 per block. That is insane. Wow. Anyway, moving on. We have Ripple CEO coming out slamming Gary Gensler right here, and Brad Garlinghouse has lashed out at the SEC for an absurd comments on Ripple Labs case, obviously creating this mess. And Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has condemned the US SEC regulator over the recent comments right now from its lawyers that a hint at a possible appeal in the case against Ripple. And obviously on July 23rd, Garlinghouse slammed the Securities and Exchange Commission for its regulation by enforcement approach, which he said is the only serve to hurt retail investors. And the SEC created this mess by proclaiming it would cop on the crypto beat when it had no legal jurisdiction, wrote Garlinghouse in the 23rd of July tweet. Where's the gotten us consumers left holding the bag in bankruptcy court while the SEC holds a press conference, as he said? Which is interesting. His important topic right here has come up about the protecting retail. The SEC creating this mess by proclaiming it was the cop on the crypto beat when it had no legal jurisdiction. Where that's gotten us right now, consumers left holding the bag, which again, we've all been holding it for 2.5 years, in bankruptcy court right now, while the SEC holds the press conferences right here. And his criticism came in response to the SEC's latest round of comments concerning Ripple, in which the regulator hinted at appealing the split decision ruling against Ripple Labs. They're not going to have a chance to do that. And moving on, of course, this appeal is not a setback for Ripple, an XRP ruling. Obviously, you got here, guys, legend, Johnny Deaton right here. An appeal is not even close to a setback, Deaton said, pushing back against a claim made on Twitter. Don't let anyone underestimate how significant this win is. Deaton's comments came after the federal district judge Torres ruled earlier this month that XRP, the token, powers Ripple Payments Network, is not a security and on its face, except for instances when it was sold to institutions to raise funds. And Ripple has been engaged in a legal battle again since 2020 when the regulator accused Ripple of raising $1.3 billion. Gary Gensler, he said, obviously is disappointed with the aspects of the decision. He can go get stuffed. Even then, it would take a considerable amount of time for an appeal to work its way through the court system, according to Deaton. It will be 2 years from now before the decision is issued by the Second Circuit, Deaton said. And the Torres decision is the law until then. Excuse me. Very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. I'm not even worried about that. Of course, we've got Ripple teaming up right here with research and development firms who run CBDC and crypto experiments. Ripple Labs is teaming up with Northern Europe-based research and development firms who run experiments centered on crypto assets and central bank digital currencies. In a new company blog post, Ripple says it will be collaborating with SuperHow, a private blockchain technology research lab based in Latvia right here to work on its Axiology project, a tokenized securities and settlements infrastructure built on top of the XRP ledger. I don't like CBDCs, but it's nice to see them making moves. Moving on, guys. Yes, we've got the Ripple and Stellar effect. I mean, these two are going absolutely parabolic, but XLM's turned most overbought since April 2021, boosting right here risks of 30% price decline by September. And of course, you've got Stellar is basking in the glow of Ripple's partial win against the SEC, having soared since the 13th of July court ruling. And XRP fuels XLM price rally again. And again, it's pretty crazy to see this, but the XLM price has risen over 60% following a federal judge's ruling on the XRP sales. I'm still bullish on XLM and I'd like to accumulate more, so give it some time. Don't go buying it because I want it. All right, I want it. Anyway, Litecoin's halving approaches amidst the price concerns right here. Will scarcity keep LTC above $90 US? And interesting right now, as Litecoin's halving approaches in less than 2 weeks, traders are expressing concerns about whether the anticipated scarcity effect will be sufficient to maintain LTC's price above $90 mark. Currently, Litecoin's price stands at $93 US, representing a 19% decline over the past 18 days. Guys, I'm still bullish on it. I really am. I really am. However, the crypto has shown positive performance of 31% throughout the year, with significant gains observed between June 19th and July 2nd, resulting in a 34% rally and pushing the price to 14 months high right now of $115. A worrying statistic is emerging from the derivatives market right here, indicating that a sharp correction may be on the horizon. And historical data reveals that each of the 3 instances where the Litecoin futures option interest dropped below 500 million, substantial price drops of 38% or higher occurred. This pattern appears to align with the current scenario. We'll see where this goes. Again, I do hold Litecoin in the portfolio. Now, INX, quickly, guys, I'm not bullish on this project because it's done absolutely nothing for like years. But anyway, Casper Labs has chosen INX as its preferred platform for tokenizing and listing its equity for trading on the secondary market. And this move signifies Casper Labs' commitment to embracing regulations and the future of finance as well as potential of digital assets. And the collaboration will allow Casper Labs shares to be accessible to a potential global liquidity pool of retail and institutional investors in over 60 countries. Through the INX.1 platform, INX.1 is the only fully regulated platform for listing and trading both SEC-registered security tokens and cryptocurrencies. There you go. Interesting update on that, guys. Now, of course, let's move on to some interesting stuff about BlackRock's game-changing Bitcoin ETF application, ushering a new era of cryptocurrencies right now. And the world's cryptocurrencies is undergoing a seismic shift, and obviously major players and regulators are making groundbreaking moves. In a significant step towards mainstream adoption right here, financial giant BlackRock has filed for obviously a spot Bitcoin ETF, which was accepted by the SEC last week. And this development signals that the SEC's willingness to explore the potential of crypto assets and related financial products, potentially reshaping the landscape of the cryptocurrency market. I don't think they're going to do that, but anyway. Meanwhile, the recent SEC vs Ripple ruling concerning XRP faces scrutiny, again from the former official, adding an air of uncertainty of the legal status. And I just clarified that. I'm not even worried about that. But I honestly believe every one of these massive corporations has started implementing Bitcoin ETFs and crypto ETFs because they know what's coming. They're not stupid, that's for sure. You need to understand they are big players in this space, massive players. Trillions of dollars will be flowing into this space. Anyway, we've got money flowing into Ethereum, Monero, Shiba Inu, Zcash, Waves right here. We've got DYDX. Moving on, we've got XRP right here. BNB, Ape, I think, is a freaking security. The SEC should go after that. That was just a massive Ponzi scheme. Altcoin sees an index right here. And again, this website has a mind of its own. But the best performers in the last 90 days, BCH, XLM, XRP, we've got Maker, Casper, not that Casper, Tron, Bit right here. We've got Solana, Unisat, Leo, Chainlink, Bitcoin, of course, Monero as well. Very nice. So my day trades are actually going up. So those of you in the Patreon would have seen that go up, which is nice. Quickly to go to Twitter, guys, I'm going to play you the interview with, not Brad Garlinghouse, with Elon Musk. Sorry, Brad's on my mind all the time. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there, guys. Let's have a look. If you own less than one Bitcoin, make it your life's mission to get one whole Bitcoin. That'll be nice. The 800,000 blocks obviously was just produced right here. Done without central bank, done without a government, done without a CEO, and out without asking permission right here, which is bullish. Love that. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 55. Now, of course, we've got Elon Musk here. Have a listen to this.
If done right, the X would serve people's financial needs to such a degree that over time it would become, I don't know, maybe half of the global financial system.
Wow.
Or some big number.
Okay.
I'm not sure what the number is, but pretty big. So it would be by far the biggest sort of financial institution. But like I said, not really in the way that people are used to thinking about banks. Mm-hmm. Just the most efficient database for the thing that is money. Like I said, like least amount of fraud. Everything's real time. And if it involves money in any way, it can be dealt with seamlessly on one location.
Unbelievable. That's insane as well. And yeah, again, this is a whole thread on the whole X.com thing, guys, going way back when he was at PayPal. Look at him. Young Elon Musk. Incredible, guys. And he's having a drink right there. Would love to have some of that, mate. Thank you very much. Anyway, BlackRock's Bitcoin Spot ETF is a game changer capable of instigating an instant 150K Bitcoin demand. Bringing at least $20 to $40 billion in new demand is massive. That is going to happen. New filing in the lawsuit against Quant, Terraformer Labs. The SEC stated that the ruling of the case regarding XRP was substantially wrong. FUSEC. There is X right here. Very, very bullish to see that, guys. It's going to be interesting to see what happens right here. Again, the XRP rich list, 3,522 to be in the top 10%. Crypto Asset Guy, thank you for providing this. We've got XRP listed against Euro by the top European regulated exchange, which is bullish as anything, guys. And of course, SynFin XDC. Join, obviously, the Global Trade Financial Distribution TFD initiative. Enables us to bridge the US $19 trillion trade finance asset class, which is enormous as well. New study found out that 23% of American digital asset investors thinks Bitcoin obviously will come back to its all-time high price of 70K within the next year. I 100% agree with that, guys. And of course, if you go and Google, obviously the world's bridge currency, it is XRP. There you go. Unbelievable. Thank you, Jack the Rippler, for that one. And yes, the bull run has only just begun. I totally agree. Let's go to coin market cap, guys. 1.1 trillion, $24 billion in volume. It is extremely low at the moment. This is why I love dollar cost averaging on a Monday night. Very, very nice stuff to buy. And of course, my portfolio, which gets posted up in the Patreon every single day, guys, is obviously here. Go check out the full list. Where my focus is, of course, is the banking coins. That's where the real money's going, guys, right here. These are the full list. You can take a photo of this. Anyway, there you go. That's the full list. And of course, I've got my day trades open up on OKX. They are an official partner of the channel. Positions open at the moment. Of course, I've got Doge on 50X on a buy. Chainlink as well. I've got Ethereum, X, 50X right here. And of course, Bitcoin. These are some day trading positions, which are really good. Moving on, let's go to the bots. I've got some futures bots set up here on Monero, 7.8% as well. Pepe, 122%, which is crazy. Lido DAO, 44%. Of course, I've got Arbitrum right here at 87% return. And of course, Ethereum right here at 11.5%. So all of this is in the Patreon. Make sure you go join up below. It's very, very bullish. Anyway, guys, that is it. See you in the Patreon. Join up. It's linked below. And leave your comments in the community tab and the down below, and I'll definitely get to them as soon as possible. All right, guys, have a good night, a good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Thank you very much for watching this long in the video, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Bye.